Hello guys, I am Sach and I'm Sukh's husband. Last Sunday I surprised her with a simple but tasty breakfast. I prepared delicious cheese toast and presented it to her in a romantic way and made my wife happy. So guys, if you also want to surprise your partner with an easy and romantic breakfast, then this recipe is definitely for you. To prepare cheese toast, you don't need many ingredients. What you need is a loaf of bread. You need an egg, you need some margarine, or you can also use some butter, some grated mozzarella cheese or any cheese you like, some onion rings. We also have some red paprika or red pepper, and we have finely chopped green pepper. And then, of course, we will need some salt, some black pepper. Okay guys, so these are the ingredients what we need. So let's begin with the process. And for that, we will take a loaf of bread and then heart shape form. We'll put in the center of the bread and we will press some bread inside this heart shape. So after we have pressed bread inside the center, now it's time to spread some margarine over the bread. We'll apply margarine all around the heart shape. So the idea is that in the center we are going to pour egg. If we apply margarine, then egg will not impregnate bread. That's why we are not applying margarine in the center. So after applying the margarine, we'll put the heart shape back on the center of the bread. And now we are ready to pour our ingredients on the bread. First of all, we'll start with grated mozzarella cheese. So we'll spread it all around this heart shape like this. After we have put mozzarella cheese, we will create a boundary of the heart with finely chopped green pepper. We'll put it all around the heart shape. And now we will take onion ring and we will put it over the grated mozzarella cheese. You can also cut it into ring shape or you can cut it into any shape which you like. After putting the onions, now it's the time to put some egg in the center of the bread. I have used only white portion of the egg. You can also use the yellow portion as well if you like. And now we are putting some red paprika in the center, and I have cut red paprika into two pieces to create a heart shape. And now what we're going to do is we're going to bake this bread for 10 minutes at 200 degrees centigrade in the oven. In the meanwhile, put iced lettuce salad on the plate for garnishing. Our cheese toast is ready. As you can see, it is nicely roasted, cheese has melted, and egg is also properly cooked. And we'll put some black pepper. I like freshly milled black pepper. It tastes so much better than the powdered pepper. And then salt according to your taste. Okay guys, so our yummy cheese toast is ready. And you can present to your wife in a special romantic way. You can see how I presented. It definitely works. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel if you like our content. See you next time. Bye bye.